The Art District in Bacolod City is a lively, vibrant cultural hub situated at the intersection of Lacson Street and Santa Clara Avenue in Barangay Mandalagan. This artistic hub is recognized for its vivid, colorful street art, an array of galleries and cozy homegrown restaurants, serving as an epicenter for local artists and tourists alike who wish to explore and embrace Bacolod's creative spirit. The Orange Project, a major contemporary art gallery founded by renowned artist Charlie Coe and businessman Victor Benjamin Bong Locu III. The Orange Project has rapidly emerged as a powerful force in Visayan art, contributing significantly to the national and international stage. Murals and installations. The district is widely celebrated for its extensive collection of stunning outdoor murals, sculptures, and street art that adorn almost every wall throughout the area. Art workshops. Spaces such as the Open Space boast art workshops targeted at children and teenagers, offering a range of subjects including painting, sketching, and clay sculpture. Dining and nightlife. The thriving area features a plethora of homegrown restaurants and bars, including the legendary Ada's Chicken and a variety of cozy cafes that serve delicious local cuisine. Specialty shops. Visitors who seek unique local items can easily find them at shops like Wherever We Are, which specializes in postcards, or even visit a tarot reading studio. In addition to shopping, visitors can also enjoy specialty food establishments like Saigon Kitchen, offering authentic Vietnamese cuisine, or visit the famous Bacolod Inasal, known for its delectable homemade chicken. The Art District in Bacolod City is a must-visit destination for art enthusiasts and anyone looking to immerse themselves in the unique cultural scene found in this beautiful city.